Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. In today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Godrej AC and your AC's remote control is damaged or not working properly, then how you can use your AC from your mobile easily. Just you need to have my Xiaomi Redmi phone, then you can use AC from your phone. So let's start friends video. So friends, we have come to our AC. Now I will tell you how you can run AC from your mobile. First of all, go to Play Store of your mobile. After going to Play Store, you have to search Mi Remote. As soon as you search Mi Remote, the app will appear in front of you. Some type of app will come. I have already installed this app. You install this app. Now let's go inside this app. After going inside this app, plus mark is made, go to that plus mark. After that, go to AC symbol. You have to search in this Godrej. Whichever company you have to search. Almost all AC are connected to this app. After that, you have to go to Godrej and you have to use mobile in front of your AC as we use AC remote. After that, you can see the blue color power button. You have to press this power button. If your AC is not responding or beeping, then you have to do no. There are 8 remotes in the Mi Remote app. Until your AC beeps, you have to keep pressing the power button by doing no and try up to 8 remotes. And if you hear AC beep sound, then you have to yes. After doing yes, does respond, is asking, then you have to do yes. After doing yes, you get the option of pair. And you have to pair. After paired, your AC's remote will become successfully. You will be able to run your AC very easily from mobile. You can easily use your AC from your mobile. You will not have any problem in doing that. If you are not able to make remote or you are facing some problem, then you can comment me. I will try my best to reply you. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.